Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 18th, 2024, and we're diving into Bit Digital's third quarter financial results for fiscal year 2024. Bit Digital, a leader in high-performance computing infrastructure and digital asset production, has just released its latest earnings report. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Bit Digital's latest report provides a fascinating look into their evolving business model, especially with their focus on high-performance computing and digital asset production. I'm excited to break down the numbers and strategic moves with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Bit Digital reported a total revenue of $22.7 million for the third quarter of 2024, marking a significant 96% increase compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The primary driver of this revenue surge is the commencement of Bit Digital's high-performance computing services, which contributed $12.2 million to the total revenue. This is a new revenue stream for the company, as they had no HPC revenue in the prior year. However, it's worth noting that revenue from Bitcoin mining decreased by 11% to $10.1 million, reflecting challenges in that segment.
Financial position and liquidity. Moving on to Bit Digital's financial position, the company reported cash and equivalents of $105.6 million and total liquidity of $223.6 million. How does this position them for future growth, John?
Bit Digital's strong liquidity position, with total assets of $376 million and shareholders' equity of $315 million, provides a solid foundation for future investments and expansion. This financial strength is crucial as they continue to scale their HPC operations and explore new opportunities in digital asset production.
EPS and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Bit Digital reported a GAAP loss per share of 26 cents, which is significantly below the forecasted EPS of -0.03 by analysts. What factors contributed to this discrepancy, John?
The larger-than-expected loss per share can be attributed to several factors, including a $21.9 million unrealized loss on digital assets, which heavily impacted their adjusted EBITDA, reported at $21.8 million. This reflects the volatility in digital asset markets and the challenges Bit Digital faces in managing these assets.
Operational highlights and strategic initiatives. Bit Digital has been active on the operational front as well. They earned 165.4 Bitcoins and 161.9 ETH in the quarter. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives, particularly the new contracts and agreements?
Absolutely. Bit Digital has been expanding its GPU cloud client base, notably signing a significant agreement with Boosteroid, which could generate over $700 million in revenue over 5 years. Additionally, they secured new GPU contracts worth approximately $19.7 million, indicating strong demand for their HPC services. These moves are pivotal as they shift focus from traditional mining to more sustainable and scalable HPC operations.
Challenges and future outlook. Despite the positive developments, Bit Digital faces some challenges, such as the non-renewal of colocation agreements. How is the company addressing these issues, and what does the future hold?
The non-renewal of 36 megawatts of colocation capacity is a significant challenge, but Bit Digital is actively seeking alternatives to replace this capacity. On a positive note, the acquisition of Innovum for $46 million enhances their HPC capabilities and provides a substantial expansion pipeline. The company remains committed to its $100 million HPC revenue target by the end of 2024 and continues to prioritize sustainable practices, with 88% of their energy consumption being carbon-free.
Key takeaways. In summary, Bit Digital's third quarter results highlight a company in transition, with strong revenue growth driven by their HPC business, despite challenges in their traditional mining operations. The strategic agreements and acquisitions position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Bit Digital's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Bit Digital's exciting developments and future prospects.